for always having money is to understand that money is like a river that is always in motion, and that is how it should continue. If we try to retain the water, it would stagnate and rot, killing the life that it carries in itself. If we trust that the flow will continue to flow, and that by simply extending our hands we can use it, we will never again suffer for its absence. The same is true of the energy of money. In this video we are going to comment some Feng Shui tips, so that you never lack the money. 1. According to Feng Shui, it is recommended to carry 3 stones in the wallet to attract money. A pyrite, which is considered the stone of money. An amethyst, which is a stone of transmutation, shifts poverty into wealth. And a citrine quartz, which is a solar stone of wealth and good fortune. It is recommended to carry these 3 stones in the wallet, because when these 3 stones or crystals come together, they generate energy of wealth. You can also put 1 or 3 Chinese coins tied together with a red ribbon and a bell to call money. 2. Octagonal mirror. This mirror is placed in the wallet so that it reflects a bill, to multiply it. Mirrors multiply the energy of money, can be any small mirror, although the octagonal mirror having 8 sides is recommended. It is very important to know that you should never leave the mirror inside your wallet if there are no bills to reflect, because then you would multiply the absence of money. 3. Carry a wallet that is red, because red is the color of power and energy, and that is what you do with money: give power, attract more. 4. Take a dollar or bill, folded wide in front of you, saying, "Let it multiply in 1,000," and then folding it along die, "And let it be 100,000 for my good and for all those around me." Put it inside your wallet and never spend it. 5. When you pay, do it with pleasure, and bless that money by saying mentally, "That with this good is done much good, that circulates and returns to me." Visualize yourself as a prosperous being, 100% confident that in one way or another prosperity will come to you. Do not talk about poverty again. Do not worry about where you will get money. Flow in confidence and you will see how you will always have for what is necessary. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3.